Imagine the majestic sight of a pride of lions gathered beneath the cascading waters of a serene waterfall. While lions are typically associated with dry savannas, they are also known to seek out shaded, cool spots to escape the heat, and a waterfall can offer the perfect retreat. Watching them lounge peacefully, their golden coats glistening with droplets, is both unexpected and breathtaking. The scene captures a rare moment of tranquility in their otherwise fierce and commanding lives, reminding us of the gentle, almost playful side of these powerful predators. It's a vision of nature's harmony we won't soon forget.